Hey, what's up, guys? I checked out Soda's channel and look, title. So, let's listen to this and let's go.
Okay, guys, so you're not gonna believe what I heard. Would y'all guys shut up? Would y'all shut up? Get out of here. Okay, so don't mind them. But okay, so I heard Gonzalo Shavira, aka Yellow Bello, tell Carson Lopez, aka Incrediganus 70. You know who I'm talking about, right? Comment down below. Well, I heard him say, "Bro, just buy more subs," and that's what I didn't get. I thought he said that he makes his own subscribers by hard work. So Incrediblitz or Incrediganus 70, you've been exposed.
Okay, guys. Let's take a minute to pray for this poor child. So, let's go. Please, God, we gotta save this child. He has some kind of disease. I don't know what disease, but maybe science will discover it. But I'm just gonna warn him that I swear to God, guys, if he makes one video on anyone, I will actually get everyone's phone number and we'll I don't know what we'll do. It'll be something Soda Boys related though. Trust me, it'll be good. But we'll get it out eventually once we figure out about this drama. I don't even know what he was talking about the whole time, but he gained one sub, but, I don't really give a crap at this point. I'm tired, and I honestly don't know when he's gonna stop. He's just stupid. I don't know if he even knows what's going on. But I hope you guys just enjoyed this little short video. I'm just gonna respond to him and see. So, bye, guys.